In today's video, we are going to talk about how to introduce yourself in English language. Lesson 1, Chapter 1, Introducing Yourself. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? How are you? I am good. I'm good. I'm good. How about you? How about you? How about you? How about you? I am fine. I am fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you. How are you? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. How are you? Can't complain. Can't complain. How are you? Pretty good. Pretty good. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. How are you? I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm all right. I'm alright. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? My name is Joe. My name is Joe. I'm Maxim. I'm Maxim. I am Maxime. I am Maxime. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Where are you from, Joe? 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 I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. Where do you come from, Maxime? Where do you come from, Maxime? I'm from China. I'm from China. I'm from Spain. I am from Spain. I am from Spain. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. What is your job? What is your job? What is your job? I am a singer. I am a singer. What about yours? What about yours? I am a barber. I am a barber. I am a dentist. I am a dentist. I am a pilot. I am a pilot. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. What is your occupation? What is your occupation? I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. What is your profession? What is your profession? I am a farmer. I'm a farmer. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am 23 years old. I'm 23 years old. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Painting, blogging, cooking. What about yours? Reading, dancing, gardening. I think I have to go now. I think I have to go now. See you later. See you later. See you later. Okay. See you soon. See you soon. Okay. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay. See you next week. See you next week. Okay. Bye. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Later. 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 Okay. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have an awesome day. Have an awesome day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a pleasant day. Have a pleasant day.